This is a dictation at the rate of 100 words per minute. Yes. Start. Honorable members, my government is working continuously to empower the farmers of the country in order to ensure remunerative prices to farmers for their crops. It is necessary that their products reach the right market. In this direction, the government has endeavored to open new avenues of prosperity for the farmers by launching Kisan Rail Seva. My friends, I would like to give maximum credit to the small farmers of the country for the consistent success and strengthening the agriculture sector. Interests of the small farmers, who constitute 80% of the farmer community, have always been central to our government. Under the PM Kisan Samman Nidhi, rupees 1,80,000 crores have been provided to more than 11 crore farmer families. With this investment, the agriculture sector is witnessing major transformations today. The small farmers of the country have also benefited from the new changes in the crop insurance scheme. More than rupees 1 lakh crore have been given as compensation to about 8 crore farmers since these changes were introduced. Government is also making investments at an unprecedented level for developing the infrastructure required near farmland. Thousands of projects have been approved under the Agriculture Infrastructure Fund, having a corpus of rupees 1 lakh crore. In order to ensure self-sufficiency in edible oils, my government has also launched the National Mission on Edible Oils, oil palm, with an outlay of rupees 11,000 crores. Government is also making special efforts like organic farming, natural farming and crop diversification. All of you are aware that the United Nations has declared 2023 as the International Year of Millets. My government will celebrate the International Year of Millets on a large scale with farmers, self-help groups, FPOs, food industry and the common citizens. My government is also working sincerely for rainwater conservation. Special campaigns are being implemented for creation of rainwater harvesting infrastructure and restoration of traditional water sources in the country with the help of various projects under the Pradhan Mantri Krishi Sinchai Yojana and Atal Bhujal Yojana. The government has also taken forward the plans for interlinking of rivers. The chief architect of our constitution, Baba Sahab Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar, gave the definition of an ideal democracy as a society based on liberty, equality and fraternity. He said that democracy is not merely a form of government, it is essentially an attitude of respect and reverence towards each other. My government considers these ideals of Baba Sahab as its motto. My government believes in the mantra of Antyodaya, which encompasses social justice, equality, respect and equal opportunities. Therefore, in the policies of the government, top priority is being given to villages, the poor, scheduled caste, scheduled tribes and the backward communities. The spirit of India is clearly reflected in the selection of Padma Awards in recent years. In a diverse country like India, dedicated people from any stream across the country are engaged in the service of the nation. They reflect the strength of India. Stop and over.